Welcome back everyone, I am Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this video, we'll continue building our AWS infrastructure using Boto3 for our Flask app that we had built earlier. So we will be creating task definition using Boto3 today. So without any further delays, let's get started. Let me open up VS Code here. So we had created this folder structure where we add all our AWS resources and then create and delete those resources. So let's add functionality for creating a task definition in ECS.py. So here I have opened up Boto3 documentation for ECS. So I'll share the link of this page in the description box below. So let's click on register task and copy the syntax. And let's create a function. And let's paste our code. Here let's remove whatever we don't need. Here the options, I'll add three things. One is AWS logs group and then region and then the stream prefix. So we have to change this project name for task definition name. So let's do that as well. Let's change the CPU to 256 and memory to 512. Let's go with basic configuration. And at the end, let's return response of task definition. Now we need the values for these things. So let's go to values.py. I have few things ready with me here, so let me paste those things. So we need ECS task role ARN and container name, task definition name, and Docker image URI. So these are the things that we would need. And let's change name of task definition name. Let's suffix it with TD, standing for task definition. Once this is done, let's go here and import these values that we just created. Now let's add these values here. And that is it. So once these are done, okay, so let's do this. Now let's make a call to this method in our create AWS resources.py from ECS. Let's call create task definition and add a print statement. And let's open up terminal and create these resources. Okay, now let's go to console and go to ECS dashboard. Check for clusters, task definitions. You can see task definition is created as well. Let's check repositories. This is present as well. So we don't have any image because we haven't built it yet. We'll do that later, but let's check the task definition. Let's go here and click on this. Let's go to JSON view. You can see the image name is specified here with the latest tag, and port mappings are done. So here we have our log group, name of this task definition, and the roles, ECS task roles, and compatibilities are Fargate. So this is what is the required one. So we were able to create a task definition as well. Let's try deleting it, and we are not gonna delete our task definition. So it would just be a deregister. You just have to go in here and then click on this version and deregister. So we'll do that in the next part. So that is it for this video, guys. If you found this was helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends, and drop your valuable thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and hit on the notification bell so you never miss out any of our latest updates. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming videos.